Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 24 of the Crossword Collage Challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And we are to use crossword puzzle. And as you can tell, mine is going to be Christmas themed, and I've got Let the Season Begin. And I highly recommend you check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so talented, and I really enjoy her videos. And check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. This has been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed this. And I'm going to keep it once again simple. And I've took these out of this little book. I got this from Hobby Lobby last year, the end of the season. And I'm just going to kind of lay this out. And I've already inked, and I inked around with Distress Oxide Candy Apple and also Vintage Photo. So let's get this laid down and see what we're going to do. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. Seems like time just keeps moving really fast, and I've got so much I need to do, and I don't feel like I'm going to get it all done. Defember will be starting soon, and I plan on participating in that if all goes well. I enjoyed doing it last year, and but I still have to get my journal made for that one. So it's going to be a busy week, and I still need to get my Christmas decorations, not to mention cleaning the house up to put up the Christmas decorations. It's never ending. Alright, got that laid down, and now I'm trying to figure out, I'm thinking I kind of want to go something like this with my crossword. Oops. Alright. Well, I've got these. Let's see how I'm going to lay these out. Not sure here. I just have some different vintage pieces. Maybe something like that. Flip that around maybe. Kind of want that to pop off of the background. I think I like that. Really want that to pop though. Okay, let's go for it. Have y'all gotten your Christmas decorations up yet? I like to enjoy the holidays as they come. I'm sort of like on Barbie on that. She mentioned that in one of her videos. Growing up, we never put our tree up before Thanksgiving. And I'm not, saying there's anything wrong with it. That's just been our tradition. I like to enjoy Thanksgiving and without kind of combining it with something else. But at the same time, it's a lot of work getting your stuff out, so it's kind of nice to enjoy it for a longer period. So I totally get it. Okay, so now we got those down. I almost forgot the label. Nope, I thought I had it down, but I don't. Okay. Now I'm going to get my Stabila all. If I can find it, which is always something to do. Well, I don't see it. It's gotten short, so it may have fallen. Oh, I see it now. Ow. My tweezers in my pokey tool is poking me. Okay, so I'm just gonna sharpen that, and I'm gonna just go around these to make them pop. I'm still working on that Harry Potter book 5, but I'm over halfway through it, and I've just started the Lisa Gardner, the book 4 of the D.D. Warren series. I can't think of the title now, but it sounds like it's going to be a good one. The third one was really good, The Neighbor. Still watching House. My husband is off today, so we got to watch some House today. Spend time together. And I did watch a George Gently Saturday. It's a good show. It's not many shows in a series, but they're long. So it'd be kind of, I don't know if y'all remember back in the day when you used to have Columbo and McCloud, I think it was on Friday nights where they'd have like the Friday night movie, and they were long. That's what it makes me think of. I still love Columbo. Guess I can blame my parents for my love of the detective shows, because we watched them all growing up. The original Hawaii Five-0. You had Canon and Mannix. And as I got older, of course, you had Charlie's Angels, Starsky and Hutch, Beretta. I don't know if you can hear my kitty cat talking in the background. He's a mouthy little thing. Okay, about got this. Do you have Christmas at home, or do you go to family? Ours is home now since my parents and my husband's parents have passed away. Pull that out. Help it pop from the background. I've kind of gotten away from doing this so much. I love these vintage images. I'm not sure where they come from. It may be Rach and Bella, but I'm not 100% sure. I got these when I first started doing journals and such. I'd have to go back and look because I have so many digitals. Just kind of give that a little shadow. This. Sorry, I'm concentrating, not talking much. Got most of my Christmas shopping done. That's good. Haven't gotten it all yet, but it's been ordered. Still have a few odd and ends. I've got to find some Christmas recipes for my cooking channel. That's always fun. Feel like I've been neglecting it. I enjoy cooking, and I love my followers on my cooking channel as well. They're some good folks, but it's a lot harder for me to do the filming and editing and all for the cooking channel because I have to do voiceover. Although I've gotten a mic, I'm going to try that again, and so that I can talk as I do But you know, it's a lot of moving around. You know, you have to move your tripod around a lot, and where here it's, you know, one spot. I'm here, and that's where I do everything. But in cooking, you know, I have to show the ingredients, and then I do usually do like an opening and all of that, and then show making it. And it's not hard. It's just you know, a lot more to it. You know, my dirty dishes get in the way, and I use a lot more dishes because I measure out everything, you know, to show the ingredients. And I don't have a working dishwasher. Okay, so far so good. And now I'm gonna add some gold splatters. Let's see. And I finally found my favorite watercolor brush. I really need to do a cleanup in my craft area. And now I think I'm going to do just a few black. Well, I like how that turned out. I hope you do as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Alright everybody, let the season begin. So I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day. Don't forget to check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and don't forget to check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. So until next time, bye y'all.